riding with the music. कूद जाओ, टायर के नीचे कूद जाओ. Oh, again another guy. Holy chilling in the middle of the road. Riding with the music. And that grab rail definitely needs a helmet, man. You know that grab rail. See, that is the problem. I can't do the shit that he just did. I'm trying to reach him so that I can say some things, but dude just got vanished.
मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा वहाँ.
I think his grab rail is the most fragile thing on the on the bike, not his body. See, that side mirror guy as well. That side mirror definitely needs a helmet, not his head. He has a weapon grade head, and that's a Duke 390, not even like some Splendor or something like that. It's a serious motorcycle, and that dude is like not even considering. Oh, that was close. See, that's the perk which you get if you try and be a little bit patient. I stopped to the side, I let him go, and I got a chance to go. If I had just shoved my bike into that gap and expected him to wait, then the situation could have been different. And I think that's enough of overthinking for now. Let's focus on the road. This road is a wild place. Yes. कूद जाओ, टायर के नीचे कूद जाओ. Oh, my God, he just got away. He missed that by that was very close.
ఏంటి మమ్మీ ఎవడీడు?
This is what happens when you let, I don't know what to say, bro. If you see a cow on the road, when you slow down immediately, like, because that cow could be like 10 or 15 feet away from the road, but you never know when it will come charging at you. So that's one thing that I've learned from spending all these hundreds of hours on the road.
अच्छा.
And seeing so many incidents happen in front of me. So if you see a bull or a cow, just slow down. Just take it easy. See, like that. So that cow is just chilling in the middle of the road, and all of a sudden it will come charging at you. Okay. And I've seen that happen in front of me to many like motorcycles, especially. Like the people who are inside the car, they are safe, but the people on the motorcycle, they are the most vulnerable. So be really careful when you see a cow on the road. Man, she just scared the out of me. Wow. If I came a little like 5 or 6 kilometers an hour more, then that situation could have gotten much more sketchy.
Another one.
That's the way you take a right turn. You should take the right turn from the right side, not the left side, because we are in America.
Coincidence बात.
Dudes living in America. Jokes apart, take the right turn from the left side and the left turn from the right side.
क्या बोला तूने?
Did I say the right? Did I say it right? Left, right, right, left. We have to take a right turn from the left side and a left turn from the left side as well, not the right side. Now right side clear. So this is how you take a right turn, from the left to the right, not the other way around. Guru Chaitanya Riding School, 50% off for the first 1,000 members.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
Just came. Is that guy out of his f***ing mind or what? That dude just showed up out of nowhere, and the speed with which he took that turn, man.
Sheer suddenness of the move.
That scared me, man. That was scary.
Hello.
Again, another guy
Yeah.
talking to his phone. At least this guy is going slow, man. There aren't many vehicles on the road, but it's very dangerous to ride and with one hand to use the phone. The hell? What was that guy trying to do, man? Like, seriously? It's a wild place, guys.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara.